Hey, what's up guys? Josh from Trail Build here with
Brent from Trail Build.
and we are out in our natural habitat. We just got done doing some off-roading. We're out here on a private property doing some trail cleaning up and having a blast. So we decided, hey, why not film a rating your rigs out in the woods, doing the thing that we love to do, doing some off-roading. So because we still are doing our Method Race Wheels giveaway, in fact, we've extended it to June 19th being the deadline, and the winner is gonna be drawn on the Monday following, which is gonna be June 22nd at 6 p.m. So you definitely wanna keep an eye out for our socials on who is gonna win the Method Race Wheels. But with that said, we're doing this episode with rigs, built up rigs that have Method Race Wheels on them, in lieu of the Method Race Wheels giveaway. So we just picked out five random rigs from the gallery that are built up and have Method Race Wheels. So with that said, if you haven't already uploaded your guys' rigs to our gallery, it's real simple. Just head on over to trailbuiltoffroad.com. You'll see the gallery tab right in the menu option. Just hit that gallery option and then you can hit upload your rigs or add your rig to the gallery and then follow the prompts from there. Lots of good pictures and a good description. So, ready to get started?
I'm ready.
Awesome, let's do it. First on the list, what do we have here? It's
a Jeep.
A 2006 Jeep TJ.
Sweet.
A yellow one. It has the Method double standard 15x8s, -24 offset, so they stick out a little bit.
Sweet.
BF Goodwrench all-terrain, the TA KO2s, and a 33x12.5. And then for suspension has the Metal Cloak 3.5-inch lift.
Nice.
So right off the bat, just looking at the pictures right away, pretty nice looking TJ.
Good. Yeah, it's got a little bit of stance to it, nothing major, but it looks good with the negative 24.
Yeah. And it's yellow. Yellow's kind of one of those give or takes. I think a lot of people either love it or they hate it.
Well, it's kind of nice because it's got the black wheels, it's got the black topper, the front bumper's black, so it kind of splits it up. It looks good.
Some good contrast.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Looks like he's got some snow wheeling picks in there.
Nice bumper on the front. Looks like he needs a winch from
trailbuiltoffroad.com.
Let's see here. It's got some good wheeling pictures.
Oh yeah, wow, very nice.
So this is from 4x4_TJ on Instagram. And look, oh, he's got some good flex pics. Nice. This is the kind of stuff that we look for. Guys flexing out, off-road, good
Flexing
pictures.
out.
Oh boy. Got tickets to the gun show?
Nope. Only BB guns. Nice, very
got
cool.
Some cube lights up in the front bumper. Some good pictures though.
Yeah, very nice. What's it got
like
for mods?
I'm not like the biggest fan of TJs, but I think it depends on how they're built. If they're not too gaudy or too overdone, they look nice. Like this one has a nice build to it. It's clean, it's got good contrast, it's proportional. It's not like overdone. So
I had one, I jumped it and broke the shocks.
Yeah, and other stuff.
Yeah. What's it got for mods?
Let's find out.
Let's see what we got.
Looks like JCR front bumper.
Nice.
And then a custom rear bumper and tire carrier.
Cool.
Quadratec LED front fog lights and some other small things here and there.
Cool. I mean, it's simple, but it works.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Nice clean build.
Yeah.
I like it. I dig it. I think it's pretty nice. Definitely appreciate it. Uploaded to the gallery and
got a number?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah?
Yeah. You?
I got a number.
All right, I got a number too. So 3, 2, 1, 7.
6.5.
6.5, pretty close.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's nothing like off the wall extravagant, but it's clean. It's Jeep. It's built.
Yeah.
It's a Rubicon, so it's got lockers front and rear. It's capable.
I just noticed that it's a Rubicon.
Yeah, I know. I'm just like, ooh, so it's got the 4-to-1 transfer case, it's got lockers front and rear.
Yeah.
Unless it just has the sticker on it and needs a poser, but I don't know. By the looks of it, I don't think it's you see the
probably a legit one.
A lot of rock crawling and
we just
in the pics.
We just launched a video a couple weeks ago on So You Want a Jeep Rubicon. Goes in kind of the history of where the Rubicon came about and
that's pretty cool.
Yeah, a little bit about the Rubicon trail in there.
Sweet.
I like it. Yeah, I gave it a 7 because, like I said, it's a clean look. It's a nice build. It's not overdone or too gaudy.
Yeah, it doesn't have 20x14s on it. Sorry, not sorry.
20s are like getting to be almost a common.
Yeah.
We're a little bit more old school.
17x9s, baby.
Yeah. And even back when we started off-roading, it was 15s.
Yep.
Yeah, which is what he's got on there.
Yep.
He's got
pretty
15.
Cool.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
So, I like it.
Yep.
I think it's cool. So
What do we got next? Ooh.
Oh, here we go.
Is that a Toyota?
Yeah. Okay, so we have, I don't know if you
Ron?
want to, yeah. Brent, if you want to go ahead, list the specs on this one.
Nope, I can't talk. But we have a 2015 Toyota Tundra Method MR 312 17x9 -12 Middle Ridge Grappler 33 12.5s with a Icon suspension 3-inch. Wow, spent some money.
Yeah.
That Icon stuff is pretty good stuff.
35s, 35 by 12.5.
Yeah, what'd I say? 35 by 12.5.
I gotta do the old man thing. I gotta squint.
I'm like, I thought I said 35s.
Here I am, 25 years old, and I gotta squint.
Yeah, you liar. He's a liar, guys.
Yeah, it's got
45.
35 by 12.5s, Niddle Ridge grapplers. It does kind of look like Ron's truck, where it does have the Niddle Ridge grapplers on it, except now he's got BFG Cam 3s on there. Yeah,
Yep.
Ron's got a really cool, friend of ours got a really cool Tundra that's all built up.
37s on it. It's pretty nice.
Yeah. So let's
But
go
anyways,
through.
get back to this truck.
Looks like he's got, it's a black, I like that
Yeah,
black
it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Light bar in the grill, or bumper.
Yeah, it's got all black except for the mirror covers.
Yeah, you should have done something
Chrome
with
mirror.
that. Chrome don't get you home.
Gives it a little contrast with the LED
It does.
front lights.
It kind of does.
Yeah.
Whoa, I'm jealous. He's out in the desert somewhere,
Yeah.
or the mountains.
Looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it's
Cool
a cool
picture.
truck. Any more pics?
And he's got the orange or the amber, the LED front LED lights on there.
The front LED, front LED? I like the front LED.
Can't talk
LED,
either.
yeah.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool. And just a picture from the back here.
Ooh, you got a chrome tip. Matches the mirrors.
Yep.
But no, it's a cool truck. It's
Yeah,
very nice.
I like it too. Yeah.
Looks like it's, hey, we got a street truck, but we can take it on the trails, just gravel roads and stuff. But
Yeah,
it's a very cool truck.
Plenty of room to bring the family along, and plenty of gear.
Yeah, probably a beer. What?
Plenty. What? Well,
Plenty,
I mean,
what?
it'd probably fit a lot in there.
Anyways,
Or has the Icon Stage 5.
ooh,
Rear hydraulic.
rear bump stops. Nice.
Yeah. The Icon suspension, and then Stage 5. Wait, what do we got going on here?
It's a Stage 5 Icon with rear hydraulic bump stops.
Yeah.
So I don't know if that's Icon or if that's an add-on, but that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah, Icon makes some really good high
they're
quality
pretty,
suspension.
Pretty high dollar, good stuff.
Yep. So trimming details, a little bit of inner plastic and body mount cut.
I've done a lot of those at work where you cut the body mount and they have this plate that kind of tucks back so you
To
can
fit the 35s on there?
Yep.
Well, 3-inch lift and 35s, I mean, that's a pretty decent tire for...
Is it a Jeep? Whoa!
Yeah, we probably wouldn't even have to cut anything with a Jeep on
Yeah.
there. But other than that, has Baja designed the LP4s and then the 30-inch S8 light bar up front.
Nice.
So, pretty good looking ride.
Yeah.
And again, with the methods, the 312s on there, 17
Cool.
by 9, -12s. So
Cool.
I dig it. I like it. Actually, those are pretty similar design to what you have on your square body.
I was gonna say, well,
But you
not
have
right now, but
you can't really see them too well,
No.
but but you have the 106s, right?
Yep.
The bead locks. Yeah.
yep, very cool.
Awesome. All right. Well.
Got a number?
Yeah, I got a number.
Ready?
So 3, 2, 1,
6.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's more like the weekend warrior. We're gonna go down some gravel roads. I'm more of the hardcore off-road guy, but it's sweet rig. Very
Right.
cool.
Yep. Kind of a dual purpose.
Yeah.
Where you can
Yep.
still daily
Go to
drive
Walmart,
it and
get your groceries and take the back road home.
Yeah, and plus too, I mean, there's a lot of potential here for, upfitting it with like a rooftop tent or
straight axle Dana 60.
yeah. Moving on from the Tundra, we have 2012 a Jeep Wrangler JKU. This is a pretty cool picture right off the bat.
Yeah, that is sweet.
But getting into the specs, it has the method standards on it, 17 by 9, -12 offset, and then it has the very popular Milestar, the Patagonia MTs, in a 38 by 13.5, and the TerraFlex 3-inch suspension lift. So pretty cool combination here. In fact, we've seen a few of these Jeeps with almost that identical setup with the Milestar Patagonias, and
they work well.
TerraFlex lift on there.
It's a very inexpensive, good tire.
Yeah, a lot of good reviews on them. A lot of people love them that have them. People say that in the mud they do get a little gummed up, but with some wheel speed they clean out pretty easy. So, and also a lot of good results, a lot of good reviews on road performance too.
Yeah.
So, and
cool.
and we carry them.
He's only got one picture, but hey.
Yeah.
When you got a really good picture, all you need is one.
That's right. Well, you know, obviously we'd love to have more, but when you're going through the gallery and you're looking at all these pictures, you just see the ones that stand out. I mean, this one's got rocks, mud, tree.
Headlights are on. It kind of draws you to it. It's like, whoa, there's a lot of stuff. Like it's a cool pick.
Very cool picture. Let's see what he's got in here for the description. Looks like there was a little bit of minor metal trimming with 3-inch suspension lift and 38s. It's to be expected.
Dynatrac Pro Rack 44 front axle.
Wow.
Do we sell those?
We have the TerraFlex.
Oh shit.
Yep. We have the
Again,
TerraFlex.
edit that out.
We have the TerraFlex.
Gotcha.
The Dana 44s and Dana 60 front axles.
Gotcha.
And it's got ARB lockers, RCV axle shafts.
He's hardcore. That's cool.
So he built that.
it.
Yeah. Yep. He built that front axle knowing that the Dana 35.
Dana 30. Dana 30. Well, no, it's Dana 44. What are we talking about?
Wait.
Is that a Rubicon?
No, I mean like, so, huh?
Comes Jimmy.
Oh. So yeah, so he probably knew that Dana 30 that was in there from a factory option probably wasn't going to hold up to the 38-inch tires with his driving style. So upgraded to a Dynatrac 44, some ARB lockers, RCV axle shafts in the front, and then chromoly, some carbon off-road chromoly shafts.
Very cool.
Yeah, I dig it. All right, so I guess we can go ahead and
you ready
give it
to
a
rate
rating. Yeah, I'm ready. So 3, 2, 1, 8.75.
7. She's a strong 7.
I give it an 8.75. I think it's pretty good. It looks like it's definitely wheeled.
Yeah.
So
it's used.
Yeah, it's got a good.
What a Jeep's built for is to use it, not go to the mall.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, and it's off-road picture. Looks good. I like it. Definitely appreciate the rigs uploaded to the gallery. And then moving on, next on the list, we have 2019 Toyota Tacoma.
Nice.
I always get distracted by the pictures right away.
I know, I was looking like, those kind of look like the wheels I have on the freaking square body.
That's another one, yeah, these are the 312s again. So this one has the Method MR312s, the 17 by 8.5 with no offset, so just a standard offset. And then it has the BFG all-terrains, again, the TA KO2s, 33 by 12.5 wide, and then the Ready Lift, 3-inch suspension lift.
Sweet.
Yeah, wow, look at this thing.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool. I like that.
You can't go wrong with the Tacoma. It's pretty cool. They look really sweet lifted.
Built beefy, right from the factory. This one's got some goodies on it.
Yeah.
Looks like he's got
roof rack.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's got a bug shield.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Oh, it's got the cool bike rack on it. Cool.
All kinds of goodies on here.
Yeah.
Those wheels
really pop.
Yeah. The gold or the bronze really offset that. And he's got some rock sliders on there. Good
those
pictures
Nerf
too.
Bars.
Are they?
Are those Nerf bars or
I
those
don't
rock
know.
sliders?
They look like rock sliders.
Oh yeah, they are.
Come down
I lied. Yes, they are. Yep. Very cool.
Yeah. Good pictures too.
Yeah, very nice. Very quality.
Yep.
Really showing off that Method wheel there.
Yeah. I like it. Cool. I like it a lot. Very cool. See if there's any description here. Looks like it's got a Pro grill. Oh, it's got the Tacoma Pro grill with the grill lights, and then it has the Prinzu, the roof rack, sliders, LED swap on every bulb, and window tint. Got a number?
Oh, sure do.
All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1,
6.5. Like I said
nothing
before,
too crazy.
Yeah, it's nothing too crazy, but it's cool.
I like it. I like it too.
Very cool.
Yeah, I gave it an 8. I've always been a fan of Tacomas.
I know you are.
Yeah. I think they're a good size. They're not as big as the Tundra, where they're a little cumbersome on the trails. I think a Tacoma, fits down the trails good. And
more trail worthy.
Right. Yep.
Yeah. She's trail built.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, look at that. Trail built Tacoma.
Yeah, cool.
Last but not least, 2017 Jeep Wrangler, another JKU. And this one has the Method, the MR105s, the 17 by 9 with negative 38 offset. So that's a pretty good tire and wheel combo, negative 38. So looking at the pictures here, looks like, there is only 3 pictures. They are pretty good pictures. One of them off-road, climbing up on some rocks.
Sweet.
Shows a good view of the bumpers. Yeah. Looks like he did the fender trim trick, or whatever you call it. Where
some LED halos or something in there. Warren winch.
Warren winch.
Very cool.
There. Yeah, definitely does some off-roading with it. So,
what we got
oh,
here?
look at this, 1350 drive lines. So he's upgraded the heavy dutiness of the drive lines, the G2 Core 44s,
Nice.
ARBs,
Nice.
worn 12,000 pound synthetic rope winch, rugged ridge, heavy duty stubby front bumper with override and method 105 bead locks, the TerraFlex HD steering components with adjustable preload joints, and many, many more.
Nice. Very cool.
I like it.
I want to go wheeling with them. Let's
Yeah,
go.
Let's go. After
Sweet.
this, we're gonna hit some more trails.
We're definitely hitting some trails.
Hell yeah. Cool. All right, well, got a number?
I got a number.
All right, so 3, 2, 1, 7.
6.75.
6.75.
Yes.
Nice.
Just because the method wheels and the negative 38, and it kind of flows together.
Yeah, I gave it
cool.
a 7. It's a nice built rig.
Yeah.
Already has a lot done to it. Capable, good
They're all
upgrades.
capable, yeah.
Yeah.
Just depends how hard you hit it, right?
Yeah, exactly. So
Oh, yeah, no, very
I dig
cool
it.
rig.
It's got the bead locks on there, the method.
Yes.
So very cool. And if you guys haven't already entered to win a set of method race wheels, it's really easy to do. You just head on over to our website, trailbuiltoffroad.com, and then go to the giveaway page. It's trailbuiltoffroad.com/giveaway. And then from there, the best way to enter the giveaway is by picking up one of these awesome Method Race Wheels giveaway t-shirts. Plus, the proceeds from the t-shirts go to our friends at Team Rubicon. So you're definitely helping out a good cause as well. And make sure to upload your rigs to the gallery at trailbuiltoffroad.com. Other than that, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt.
I'm Brent from TrailBuilt.
And we'll see you guys out on the trails.